What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and we got the Google Pixel Buds Pro right here. And the biggest question that I have been getting is how to change out these ear tips carefully. So let's go ahead and jump right into it.
As time goes by.
All right, so Google Pixel Buds Pro actually come with 3 sets of ear tips. It'll have the medium size already on this device when you pick it up. But in this little roll right here, you do get a small set of tips and you get a large set of tips. So small set of tips will be on the bottom and large set of tips will be on the top. Now I've already replaced my medium tips with the smaller tips, and just for comparison, I'll go ahead and take those out so you can see what we're talking about. These are actually the smaller size tips right here. These are the medium size tips. And these are the large size tips. When you actually put the medium size tips by the large size tips, you see just a little bit of a difference, but not too much. And then you throw the smaller tips in there, that's what you're gonna get. So those are the 3 sizes that you have. Now, let's say you wanna actually take the tips off that are on there. So the easiest way I found to do this, since this is like really soft material, I just kind of flip this up and I grip down and I'll pop them off. And once that is popped off, you'll take another one. I don't want to mix my smalls up, but this is a medium, and you are just going to line this little piece up with that tip, press down, and it's back on there. So very simple, very easy. And once again, just comes off. It does not pop. And then when I want to put a new one back on, just cover that tip up. Boom, press it down, make sure it's on there good and covering, and you are good to go. So that's how you're gonna actually change those tips out. So if you guys have any further questions, you can leave comments down below. But that is pretty much going to be it. 3 sets of tips with this device. You get a small, medium, large. Out of the box, it's going to have the medium size on it. The small and the large are gonna be in this tube. Basically just take the tops off, pour them out, take the old tips off, put the new tips on. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. This is how to change the tips on your Google Pixel Buds Pro. Hopefully you don't break them. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.